Now what I'm going to do is show you very quickly, by the way, how to create a file that has transparency that you can bring into Toom Studio. And I'm going to use this guy as an example. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the entire image. So I'm going to go to Edit. Well, first of all, let me select everything. So I'm going to select all. Then I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. Now I'm going to go to File, New. Now the reason I'm doing this is because once you copy a section in Photoshop, it remembers the exact size. So when you create a new document, it's going to know exactly the dimension of that selection. I'll go ahead and make sure, this is the important part, the background contents are going to be transparent. Okay? Not background color or not white, transparent. Click OK, and now we have a new document. Now do me a favor and paste. So whatever image you're following along with, just go ahead and paste. And what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to bring my tools back. So I'm going to go to my view menu. I'm going to just go to my screen mode. I'm going to go to my standard screen mode here. And I'm going to press tab to get my tools. And I'm going to just show you very quickly how I can do this. I'm going to grab a lasso tool and I'm just going to cut. I'm going to be very, very rough about this because I just want to show you how this is done. And I'm just going to cut a part of this character. And once again, don't worry about it. It's not going to be beautiful. I'm just going to go right about here. Then I'm going to select Inverse, and I'm going to press Delete. You see that? This checkered area does not print. This tells the computer that this is transparent. So if I were to now go to File, and I would choose Save As, I could choose the PNG format or the Targa format. And this would tell Toom Studio to remember that that area is transparent. Very important. And once I've done that, I can bring that into Toom Studio. So let me go ahead and make sure I save that to my desktop first of all. And I'll just try that again. I'll just change it to face. And actually I should change it to the PNG format again. And we'll name it face. And I'll put it on my desktop. And now what I'll do is I'll go to Toom Studio. I'm going to import this image here. So let me go to File, Import File. I'm going to go to my desktop. And I'm going to bring in that image, face.png. And as you see here, that area is transparent. So I could put something behind it. It's a very useful technique, and I would suggest that you try to use this because it could really make your life a lot easier when you're working in the application. Now let's do one more thing. I'm going to, just to prove to you that this is a transparent area, I'm going to change the background color of my interface. I'm going to go to my preferences here, and I'm going to go to my interface, and I'm going to make my background drawing black, which it is already. And as you see, when I change the drawing view here, it's transparent back there. So definitely check that out. It's a great technique, and it will allow you to bring in artwork that's going to have a transparent background so you can overlap things.